Someone was watching my YouTube video. They're asking, how do I know if my Amazon PPCs are actually working? Shout out for the video. Thank you so much. Appreciate you watching the video. The easiest way for you to figure out if your ads are working or not, you would go through this checklist of which are the things that could make your ads work and which not. So the way we like to structure this, that could be a technical setup, and it could be something that it does not make the ad work or deliver no matter what you're doing. There can be the following. Either you have no inventory, theoretically, even if you have no inventory, your ads might be showing up sporadically, but that could be one of the things. The second thing, it can be if your buy box is lost. That's something we noticed on our end. Once that we did not had the buy box, the product did not show up. And don't ask me how we found it out. Obviously, we lost the buy box and we did not saw that like there's no spend, and we were like, what is going on? Because everything on the ad side, it's working. We increased the bids and did all that steps, and no visibility. So that would be the second thing that we would be checking. Check if your ads are delivering based on do you still have the buy box or not. Now, if you already confirm that you already have inventory for the product, your ads already have the buy box, the third thing can be the technical setup. So either you set up your ads in such a way that you don't get any visibility, and that can be because of your bids. So either the bids are too low and that's why you cannot see it. Another option is that you're really not indexing for specific keywords and Amazon is not going to show your ad. In that case, if you already rolled out the very first things that I mentioned, in that case, you can just open up a case with Amazon, let them know that, hey, look, I'm bidding $5. My average bid is like $1. I'm still not showing up neither on top of search, neither on product placement. So that could be also something that you could do, and go through this checklist and figure out what is the exact thing that is not letting your ads be delivered. The next thing that could cause this issue is that your campaign is running, but your ad groups are paused. Either your keywords are paused too. So that can also happen, and that can be a simple, mistake. Someone just turned off the ad and the campaign is still running. So in that case, technically your ads are not running because you paused the keyword itself, although the campaign is running. What are the cases? One more case it can be, especially if you are creating sponsor product video ads and sponsor brand ads. So whichever ad type would allow you to add creatives, the ads can be showing that it's delivering, but on the ad group level, it could be incomplete or rejected. That is also a reason why your ads might not be delivering. Let me think what other use cases or what other situation we face where ads did not deliver on our end. The product got suspended. This is one obvious way to notice that your ads are not delivering. You would open up the campaign, then the ad group, click on targeting, and then see what products you're advertising there. It's going to give you some type of error. Usually those errors are in red. Let me know if this answered the question, but those would be the very first things that I would go through first in order to figure out what is causing the ads not to deliver.